Is it keeping into consideration the nostalgia that the series hit or
Absolutely.
ओके क्योंकि हम लोग एवरी डे 20-20 रुपए में डीवीडीज लाते थे, हमने सब देखा है, वी हैव वॉच्ड इट ऑल द 90s किड्स।
उस टाइम पे कितने कितने हफ्तों तक, महीनों तक अच्छी अच्छी मूवीज के टिकट्स ही नहीं मिलते थे।
डेफिनेटली कंट्रीब्यूट किया है टुवर्ड्स पायरेसी। प्लीज डोंट अरेस्ट मी फॉर दैट।
कि इसका इतना बड़ा मार्केट बन चुका था कि फर्स्ट कॉपी के भी 3-4 डिफरेंट कॉपीज हो चुके थे।
तो बॉक्स होता था, बॉक्स पे ही आपको टिकट मिले तो आप जाके
हाँ।
कंफर्टेबली देख सकते हो।
Come, let's take you back to nostalgia.
हाउ सो?
Because we're going to talk about the time when our parents used to get first copy CDs at home.
Oh, I absolutely remember that and cherish that time क्योंकि हम लोग एवरी डे 20-20 रुपए में डीवीडीज लाते थे। वी आर द जनरेशन जिसने ट्रांजिशन देखा है फ्रॉम वीसीआर टू वीसीडीज।
And now to Netflix and Amazon Prime.
Absolutely.
We are talking about the new series, First Copy.
This series definitely takes us back to that nostalgic time. पूरी फैमिली एक साथ बैठ के कोई मूवी देखती थी। यू नो मूवी थिएटर में रिलीज होने से पहले भी कभी कभी मैंने मूवीज देखी है घर पे बैठ के।
ये मैंने कभी नहीं किया था।
So definitely contribute किया है towards piracy. Please don't arrest me for that. Season 1 there are 10 episodes of 25-30 minutes each. Yeah, the first web series by Munawar Farooqui. He has done pretty decent acting, I would say. The story, the series is very grasping. More than the cast, I enjoyed what it is based on, the real piracy issue of India, and it shows the evolution of the piracy king of India at that time. Series is based between 1995 to 2005. At least this season is so far. Okay, so coming down to the cast.
Yeah. So the main lead role of this series is Munawar Farooqui. His wife is Afreen, played by Ashi Singh, and the police inspector who is trying to catch Munawar is none other than Chang, Mayank Chang.
उसके इस पायरेसी क्राइम में उसका पार्टनर इन क्राइम है उसका दोस्त प्रवीण, which is played by Saqib Ayub. Again, very good acting. He's a class actor. And the Bollywood producer, the main villain to so to say of the series, played by the legendary Gulshan Grover. मुनावर की एक फ्रेंडशिप का एंगल या अफेयर का एंगल दिखाया है with Crystal D'Souza, Mona, who is a Bollywood actress. And yeah, that's about the cast.
We are watching it from Munawar's point of view, but I think Gulshan Grover I think he is the main victim here.
Yeah, because the movie makers, the producers were the actual victims. Yeah. Obviously, they are not innocent people, but they were the victims of piracy. Yeah. Police tried their best, but it eventually came to an end after the evolution of movies on mobile phones and web series and all this content coming in a much cheaper and affordable and convenient way.
Munawar ka role isme it starts with him being a small time cassette recorder, basically a cassette mixer. He was arrested for it, and uske baad jab wo bahar aaya, he found many different kind of opportunities, regular jobs, many heartbreaks, because he did not want anything ordinary for him. And then he found this path because he already had the skills and knowledge of how to do that
copying and piracy.
Yeah,
at this time on a very big scale,
very
pan
big scale.
India.
मुनावर का इसमें रोल, I mean, I did not expect this कि ये सीरीज इतनी amazingly बनेगी. Beginning में I did not really enjoyed it a lot, but since it started, the copying and everything and the shift, and they showed every detail of it कि एक घर में टीवी है, ठीक है, बट एक घर में अगर मूवी आ जा रही है तो वो पर्टिकुलर पर्सन उस एरिया का किंग बन जाता था. उसको इस चीज की लत लग जाती थी. पीपल वर एक्चुअली एडिक्टेड टू गेटिंग सीरीज एट होम एंड वॉचिंग मूवीज एट होम rather than spending so much of money on the in the theater, in the cinema. But उस टाइम पे कितने कितने हफ्तों तक, महीनों तक अच्छी अच्छी मूवीज के टिकट्स ही नहीं मिलते थे. तो ऑब्वियसली this became like a new normal. As said in the movie,
even though it was a crime, it was a great business idea क्योंकि I still remember तब सिनेमा हॉल्स इतने अच्छे नहीं होते थे. टिकट्स के लिए मारपीट होती थी, बेड चलते थे. सलमान शाहरुख की मूवीज में लोग घायल हो जाते थे. लाइक इट यूज्ड टू बी अ टोटल स्ट्रगल टू गेट मूवी टिकट्स. फैमिली के साथ आप जाना है तो बॉक्स होता था, बॉक्स पे ही आपको टिकट मिले तो आप जाके कंफर्टेबली देख सकते हो. तो तब उस टाइम पे ये सीरीज का आना, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, त्योहार होता था मोहल्ले में, कि किसी के घर पे आज एक नई मूवी आई है तो हम लोग सब देखने जा रहे हैं.
करेक्ट. इसका इतना बड़ा मार्केट बन चुका था कि फर्स्ट कॉपी के भी 3-4 डिफरेंट कॉपीज हो चुके थे. दैट इज व्हाई एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को पकड़ना कितना डिफिकल्ट था. एंड दैट इज व्हाई द पुलिस आर आल्सो टू बी given credit because they tried to catch the person. They tried to catch Munawar Faruqi.
Even the police who were behind him did know that how big this entire operation was, but we definitely were a part of it as an Indian citizen. It was a very big topic, a very big issue for filmmakers at that time during our teenagers, and this entire series had shown us from where it started.
कितने बार हमने देखा है कि YouTube में there are so many movies which are of the phone का footage का quality.
ओरिजिनल मूवीज तो क्योंकि लीक होते थे, बट तब लोग हॉल में बैठ के रिकॉर्डिंग करके भी इसको सीडी में उतार के बेचते थे और बोलते भी थे ये हॉल प्रिंट.
Other than Bahubali, I don't remember any houseful that we saw in the movie theater. I mean, वो era ही चला गया.
Many people now prefer to watch the movies OTT. On their television set when it comes on OTT platforms. We must say that it's a must watch. It's a good series.
It was not promoted a lot, but it is a must watch. And also, by the time we started to really indulge in it, like what happens with him, the season ended. So definitely there's a second season which is coming, and I'm really excited, and I'll be waiting for it. But I know these guys, they'll get the season like 1 year later.
Yeah.
Let's come down to the ratings.
Yeah. So what would you rate the cast?
I think I'll give 4.5.
Yeah, apart from a few characters, I think the casting overall was pretty
Very
good.
Nice.
So yeah, 4.5 for the cast. And what about the storyline?
5 on 5.
Is it keeping into consideration the nostalgia that the series hit?
Absolutely.
Okay. So let's take an average of overall rating 4.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So we are here to give you our honest review, a brutally honest review. If you liked our content, come, like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Pause.
For kisses.